Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this lab, we will learn the star args parameter and what it stands for and what is the use of that. Okay, so here I create one function for multiplication which takes the parameter a, b and star args. Okay, now here the function what it does is that it will multiply whatever the things we pass to that function. Now, if you see the syntax of this function, you can see here the a and b are the positional parameters and the star is what it means. It means it will take any number of parameters or the arguments. Okay. Now we can see here how it will run. So for holding the multiplication of this a and c, a and b, I create one variable c which holds a multiplied by b. And now here star else what it means it will take any number of parameters or the arguments. So if it is one, we can think like that it is a one kind of list, and for that list we want to iterate this. We have a for loop in a Python. So for this I use the for loop and e in earth. Okay, so what it takes c is equal to c into e. Okay, and this function return c. Okay, now here I want to call this function 10, 20, and here I pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if I run this program, you can see the output is. So if I want to calculate this, you can use the calculator for this, and you can see here first 10 into 20, it is 200, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, something wrong. 10 into 20. Okay, after that 1, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, and after that 5. Now you can see the output is 24,000. Okay, the meaning of star args, you can pass any number of arguments. Okay, so thank you for watching.